Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu in WordPress. Welcome to my channel, Ask Hakacheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and also the metaverse. Right? I'm here to guide you and to help you. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my videos. All right, please watch this video to the end for a great freebie. And also, I'm currently on a 100-day challenge where I will be posting 100 videos in 100 days. So please do come back here tomorrow to see what awesome video I have waiting just for you. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so now the first step we need to do is to log into our website, and we're going to have to customize it because a menu is part of what we could customize. All right, so I'm currently in my website. I clicked on customize. Just gonna look over a few things here. All right, so that is our menus. All right, I've clicked on menus, and we see I have different menus here. Okay, so, and of course I have another option to create a new menu if I want to. All right, but let me just look at what I have under this particular menu. All right, so currently this one is not available, so I'm going to scroll back to the menu that is currently active, okay, in my website. All right, it's this one that has home, all courses, about. Okay, so click on the pencil like icon to look at that primary header. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is the primary menu that I have there. All right, so we're going to click on configure menu. Okay, and we scroll down, so we see we have several menus, the primary, the secondary. Okay, so under primary, I will open the primary menu to see what I have. Okay, I'm going to scroll down, then edit menu. All right, so we see this is what is currently active: home, all courses, about, and contacts. Okay, and I want to delete this menu. All right, so that I could add something else. Okay, we could also reorder the menu if we want to. So I'm just going to scroll down, hit the delete button. Word fact: did you know that you could buy a flying bicycle? Yes, John Foden and Yannick Reed created a bicycle that actually does fly, like fly. All right, back to our subjects of the day. All right, so we've deleted the primary menu we have, and we want to activate a different menu. Okay, I'm going to just create a new menu right now. I'm going to call it let me see, brand menu. Okay, brand menu. All right, and okay, so these are several menu locations. I want it to appear in the primary menu, so I select that. Okay, click on next, and now we need to add items to that brand menu we just created. So if you look at my header, there are no menus right there currently. Okay, so click on that plus button to add items. Okay, so I click on to see my pages. All right, so home, resources, contact us. I don't want all courses, so I think I want about. Yeah, and now we could reorder these pages. Okay, so using these different buttons to move it up or down, all right. Okay, so I'm going to just reorder it a bit. Yeah, I think that's okay. So if you look at my menu now, you see that it's currently active, the new one. But then we want to create a drop down menu, right? So we do that by shifting the pages you want to be in the drop down to the right. Okay, so just drag it to the right. So you see, okay, no, I want these other ones to be under the home. I'm going to drag it back, then move it forward to the top, and then move resources to the right. And I think I want, okay, let me see. All right, so let me do some ordering before I can start to make the drop down. Okay, all right, so reorder some more. All right, so about resources, so okay, that's about resources, the drop down under home, then contact. I want to add this contact us to also be part of the drop down menu. All right, so that's that. Then we hit on publish and we are done, all right, with this particular video. Okay, so I'm going to refresh to see how it appears on my website. All right, all right, so refreshed currently. So you see the menu is now a drop down menu. We have about, resources, and contact us, the drop down menu. All right, so please leave a comment below. Let me know what part of this process you find easiest. Thank you.